In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Excel cannot paste the data error. Start with the first fix. Unmerge the cells in the area where you are trying to paste. Click the merge cell at D1 to select it. Once that cell is selected, go up to the ribbon and make sure you are on the Home tab. In the Home tab, look for the Merge and Center button. Do not click the main button directly. Instead, click the small drop-down arrow next to Merge and Center. When the drop-down opens, click Unmerge Cells. Excel will remove the merge, and the cells D1 and E1 will become separate cells again. Now keep D1 selected. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied data again. This time, the product list should paste into D1 through E4 without showing the error. Next, use the second fix. Paste into one single cell instead of selecting a full paste range. Click cell A1, then drag across and down to B4 to select the source range again. With A1 through B4 selected, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now click one single empty cell away from the merged area. Cell G1 works for this. Make sure you are only clicking that one cell, not dragging to select a range. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Excel will automatically expand the paste area starting from G1, and the data should land correctly with no error. For the third fix, use Paste Special, then Values. This fix removes the formatting from the copied content, which helps when formatting conflicts or merge cell structure are blocking the paste. Before demonstrating this fix, reset the sheet so the problem is visible again. After resetting the sheet, copy the source data again, then choose the destination where you want the values to go. Open Paste Special, then choose Values. This tells Excel to paste only the actual cell contents, without bringing over formatting that could conflict with the paste area. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the paste should work because the merged cells are removed. The paste starts from a single cell, or the copied formatting has been stripped out by Paste Special, then Values.